Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to give you a walk around right quick, show you what's going on, what's happening, what's been done, what's coming up. Looks like it's going to be another rainy Saturday. It's not raining right now, but it's coming this way. So we're going to start over here in the paint booth. Got several different little things over here. Looks like we got a few parts painted. Fender flares and some bumper ends. Here's the 48 hood, and I think that was Final Crime. Black Mustang door. We decided to go ahead and paint it. I'll show you over there. I believe this is the rear tail for the Scion. Getting it ready. Let's walk over here. The old wagon here. Thought we had the wagon ready. Decided they wanted to place one more glass. One more of these, so we went ahead and put it in. Got it in just like the trim and stuff, I believe. Still working on the Comet. Getting some more wiring and test fitting the radiator. Getting everything like that on, so you got wiring everywhere. Oil filter relocator. It's coming along. Slow process, but it's coming. Shifters in there. Started trying to fit the pedal right there. Got a drive-by-wire, you know, getting all that fit. Deck lid for the 68 still. Let's walk over here to the main shop. We did get the transmission in Old Blue. Not got to drive it much yet. Did drive it around the block. Shifting still a little off, so we're gonna get just on that a little more. Make sure we got it right. Got the black F-150. Got the brakes up on it, the steering working on it, the wheels and tires off the burnt one on it. Got it ready for inspection. So hopefully next week the inspector will show up, get it inspected. Then we can get it cleaned and detailed and be ready for sale. Nissan, I think I got the front end back on it. Going back together. Got us another little wreck in. Little Honda Accord. No, the Toyota. I'm not sure what the Honda Accord is. The Toyota here. Got it from Copart. Looks like running back of a truck, don't it? Anyway, got a Chevrolet out there too. Can't see it too good, but it's up under the tree. Little four-wheel drive Silverado 1500. It's gonna make a nice little truck. Got it and the Toyota from Copart out of Atlanta West, I believe. Got a little more work done on the Nissan here finally. So much going on and so much to do, but got everything cleaned up, getting it ready, painted that up under there to make all that look a little better. Everything straightened out and took care of and fixed and painted. Let's walk in the shop here. The F550 is gone. Got it put together. Like I said, right here is a little Scion, the deck lids in there, bumper cover. We got the back end pulled out where it needed to be. Hatches closing and sealing up like it's supposed to. Like I said, here on the Mustang, you know, we'd fix the back end and all that. Well, the quarter, the door didn't really match. We didn't like the way it looked against the new quarter. So we pulled it off, painted it. That way it'll blend everything in. It's had a little work done on it before, and it was kind of a little off black. So we pulled it off, painted it, got it ready to go on. Like I said, got the spot on the Mustang painted, a little fender where it had some stuff we didn't like. Got it painted. So now we can get the deck lid on it, and this thing will be ready to start driving some. Back of the cab on the Ford pickup here, I don't know, for something to be hid behind the bed, it sure was rough. It been beat on and beat on and beat on. Drake worked on it about all day yesterday, got it coming along nice. hopefully get it finished up Monday. Joey been working on sanding on the inside of the bed here, getting it scuffed up. F1, I think we got all the primer work done on it. Got the fender fitting good, spots fixed, so hopefully get it sprayed next week. Got the Bel Air on the rack so we can Alan get to it a little bit better, because it's a lot easier to fix little spots and stuff when you can get to it and you ain't got to hunker down on it. I think Drake was piddling on the Maverick a little bit last night, put him a different power valve in his carburetor and stuff like that. But several things going on still. Busy. Lots to do. But how you eat elephant, one bite at a time. So appreciate everybody tuning in. Have a good week. 256 Garage out.